Hello friends, I am going to explain conversion of NFA to DFA. Now, what is meant by NFA? A non-deterministic finite automata has more than one transition from one state to another or itself. Suppose from this Q0 state with the same input, it goes to the several possible state, that is with input A, it goes to the Q2, Q3 or Q of N or itself also. That is NFA. And the DFA means a deterministic finite automata has one transitions from one state to another. Means when it reaches one input, it goes to the next only once transition. Okay. This one is the difference between NFA and the DFA. Now to conversion of NFA to DFA, consider the example. Suppose consider the example. This one is Q0, P. The with input B, it goes to the next step Q1. And with input B, it goes to the final step Q. Okay. For this NFA, first step is we have to draw the transition table for the given NFA. Okay, this one is the state. Input A. Now, for this one, Q0 state is the initial state. Q0 with input A, it goes to Q0 only. In Q0 with input B, it goes to Q0 and Q1. So with input B, it goes to Q0 and Q1. Now Q1 state with input A, it goes to Q, and Q1 with input B, it goes to Q. Okay. Now on Q2 state with input A and B, there is no transitions for the on the state Q2 with input A as well as with input B. Now to conversion of NFA to DFA now, the initial state of DFA is the same as that of NFA. Okay, so in this transition table, this one is the state input A and input B. Okay, initial state is the same for the DFA. Okay, so we copied it. Now in the next transitions, we have to identify which one is the next state. Already Q0 is taken. Oh, okay, so the new state is Q0 and Q1. So, okay, this one is your one state. We combine the Q0 and Q1 into one state. Okay, now Q0 and Q1 with input A, we have to find out the transitions and take the union of this. So, it is Q0, and we take the union Q0 and Q1 with input B is Q0, Q1 and Q2. So, it is Q0, Q1 and Q2. So, okay, now the next state is Q0, Q1 and Q2, because Q0 is already taken. The new state will get the Q0, Q1 and Q2. So, we write down Q0, Q1 and Q2. Okay, now Q0, Q1 and Q2 with input A, take the union of all these three states, that is only a Q0. Okay, and the Q0, Q1 and Q2, we take the union of all these three states, so it is Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now there is no new state available, so we stop here. Now the final state. So the final state is Q2 in the DFA and in the NFA. So whichever state available Q2 state, so is your final state. So this one is your final state for this DFA. Now after completion of transition table, now you have to draw the transition diagram. So for the transition diagram, this one is the initial state Q0. Okay. And the next state is Q0, Q1 is the new state. And the next state is Q0, Q1 and Q2. Your final state. Okay, Q0 with input A, it goes to Q0. So it's said Q0 with input B, it goes to Q0 and Q1. So with input B, it goes to Q0 and Q1. Now Q0 and Q1 with input A, it goes to Q0. So here it goes to Q0 with input A. Now Q0, Q1 with input B, it goes to Q0, Q1 and Q2. So here with input B, it goes to Q0, Q1 and Q2. Now Q0, Q1 and Q2 with input A, it goes to Q0. So here it goes to Q0 with input A, and Q0, Q1, Q2 with input B, it goes to Q0, Q1 and Q2 itself. So this one. This is your DFA or the given NFA. Okay. Thank you.